Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energy, career situation, and relationship, guys, Virgos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Star. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really confident, skilled, talented, and you are strong. You are ready for action. You are ready to jump into action, take anything up, maybe. And you are a very skilled and talented person, guys. And maybe there are people constantly in competition with you, maybe in your work. You have people competing with you and competing with your business or competing in your work. So you feel that you cannot trust anyone. There are people with you, but you cannot totally trust them with, you cannot discuss any of your problems or any of your decisions with them. And maybe you do not have people whom you can rely on. So it may be in your work situation, guys. So some kind of what to say, you may feel a loneliness, or you may feel that you are burdened too much because you are the one who is responsible for every decision. You cannot share your responsibility. Maybe you are in an important position in work, that may be the reason, guys. Or it may be the way things are, people are competing with you and they see you as a rival. That again may be the reason that you cannot tell them the truth about any decision or choices you are making today. And you have a lot of what to say, dreams and goals for yourself, maybe in your work or about this life, about this relationship. You have great dreams, fantasies, and goals to be achieved, and you are moving towards that. And maybe whatever troubles you are facing today, Virgos, maybe this jealousy, competition, rivalry, whatever it is, you have that balance in your heart, and you are a very compassionate person. You are helping the people around you with that compassion, trying to, what to say, trying to be really generous, trying to give your guidance and help in every way, every possible way. And you are seeing great hope and faith in your future. Things are moving in a positive way for you. Maybe you are very strong, guys. You are mentally strong, prepared to face uh, anything, prepared to act, and you have great hopes and faith in your future. That is what I see, guys. And you are someone who is really confident and talented. You are ready for anything, Virgos. That may be the reason success is not very far for you, Virgos. So that is the energy, guys. So success in your work and success in your relationship. That is what I see, guys. With these cards, Virgos, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.